Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to do a video. I'm going to be showing you how to create a good listing on Amazon, and we're going to look at two examples, example of a good listing and example of a bad listing, a terrible listing. And I'm going to show you what to do and why to do it and what the things to look for. Okay, so we're gonna start looking at the good listing. Is this one here. The product that we have is football socks for kids, and we're gonna start looking in terms of customers. So customers, if someone wants to look for this product, what they're gonna do? So they're gonna come here on the search bar and they're gonna type football socks for kids, football socks for children, all different things they're gonna type. So all these search terms that the customers they might type, we'll have to put them on the title. Okay, so we need to have the search terms on our title, like in this case, children football socks. Boom, there. Another search term, comfortable children football socks. Another search terms, football socks breathable. Okay, another search term, football socks for boys and girls. So they trying to cover all the ways possible to find this product, and by you putting all these search terms in your title, Amazon is gonna connect your product with the customers that they are typing these search terms. So we have the title where we need to put the search terms and the keywords relevant to our product, in this case football, socks, breathable, comfortable, boys, girls. Okay, also we need to look at the bullet points. This is the bullet points. Okay, so in your bullet points you need to have exactly the same search terms and keywords that you add on your title. Yeah, so the same ones, you need to have them introduced into all these keywords. So obviously you're explaining what the product is and why they should buy it, and you tell the benefits and all this, but you need to insert all these search terms and all these keywords. Why? Because the Amazon algorithm reads from your title, reads from your bullet points, and also reads from your description down here. Yeah, so your search terms also needs to be here on your product description. Search terms, perfect football socks for children's, wonderful sport accessories, football socks, running socks, hiking socks, sport compression socks. You see, all these search terms, they need to be also in your description. Amazon, when reads listings, the priority, it takes them from first priority, title. So from the title is where it's going to take the most priority, and is where it's going to look for search terms and keywords. So you make sure in your title you use them. Second priority is going to be reading from your bullet points, so same again. And the third priority is going to be on your product description. Okay, don't forget that your product description, then you need to put it on HTML. So once you write it, you copy this and you paste into a converter, so Word to HTML, and then you will put it on the Amazon seller account. Yeah, maybe that's a video for another time. Okay, so this is an example of a good listing. These people here, they're doing a good job. As you can see, they put a lot of search terms in their title, and also they put in these search terms introduced in the bullet points. Children football socks, you can see there, football socks, protective compression socks. Yeah, all they got them there introduced. Okay, stylish sport socks. Okay, now I'm going to show you what you don't have to do. I'm going to show you a terrible listing and you're going to see why. So please don't do this. So title, terrible, Erima S2SEM, it must be a German word, I don't know. Premium Pro Sanitized Socks. So 5 words and not even search terms and not even keywords. So how Amazon is gonna put this listing in front of customers that are looking for football socks if you don't put the word football socks for kids? Terrible. Okay, so you can see they're not putting search terms, they don't put in keywords. And now we go back to the bullet points. Again, nothing. No search terms, no keywords. They put the material, the 19% cotton, 15% elastin. You know, no football sock for kids, no socks for kids. Nothing that is gonna tell Amazon this product is to play football for kids. Nothing. Another thing, let's look at the description of this listing. There you go. Product description. All this only. And what it says: a German word, sanitized equipment, increased comfort, wearing hygienic. Again, no keywords, no football, no socks, no comfortable, no elastic, no good quality, nothing that indicates that this is a product to play football. So no keywords, no search terms. So now you can see, and don't even get me started with the pictures. The pictures, one picture terrible, but well, let's leave this for another time. Please follow the advice. Don't do this. Don't do these titles like this. Okay, don't do bullet points like this. Okay, with no search terms, no keywords. Yeah, it's really important to do things correctly. It's really important to do things correctly, so Amazon is going to rank your listing. It's going to read your keywords and your search terms, and it's going to rank it. Yeah, and your marketing campaigns, they're going to read if you have search terms, appropriate search terms that people looks for your product. So in here they put in a lot of search terms, a lot of keywords. Same again with the description. So I hope it's clear. I hope you know what to do. So find what search terms and keywords are for your product and put them on your title, put them on your bullet points. Okay, as many as you can. And then your marketing campaigns, they're gonna show to the correct customers that they're looking for your product, and they type in on the search bar football socks for kids, is gonna show. Okay, so I hope you find value on this, and I will see you on the next time. Bye bye.